Scientists have finally solved one of the world's oldest questions. What came first? The chicken or the egg? Most people say the chicken, others say the egg, but both answers are incomplete. Here's the truth. Eggs existed over 300 million years before chickens. Dinosaurs and ancient reptiles were laying eggs long before the first chicken appeared. So where did the first chicken come from? A bird that was almost a chicken laid an egg with a tiny genetic mutation, and that egg hatched into the very first true chicken. So yes, the egg came first. Follow Zelian for more mind-blowing facts.